How to make Snickerdoodle cookies. Step 1. Gather materials. You will need 1 cup of softened unsalted butter, 1.5 cups of sugar, 2 large eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 2 3/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon cream of tartar, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, and 3/4 teaspoon salt. And for the cinnamon sugar mixture, you'll need 1/4 cup sugar and 1.5 tablespoons cinnamon. Step 2. Preheat your oven. Make sure your oven is preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 3. Mixing time. Mix together the butter and sugar for 5 minutes or until it's fluffy. Then mix in the eggs and vanilla extract for 1 to 2 minutes. Step 4. More mixing. Now add the flour, cream of tartar, baking soda, and salt. Mix it all together. Step 5. Cinnamon sugar mixture. Now in a separate bowl, add the sugar and cinnamon for the cinnamon sugar mixture. Step 6. Optional. This is an optional step. If you want, you can refrigerate the dough for 20 to 30 minutes before this next step. Step 7. Roll. Roll the dough into small balls and coat them in the cinnamon sugar mixture. Then place the balls of dough into a tray with parchment paper. Step 8. Bake for 9 to 11 minutes. When the cookies are done, let them cool before removing from the tray. That is how you can make Snickerdoodle cookies.